I used to be on the fence about no-till gardening. Honestly, I just thought it was a fad. I guess in its purest form, you just throw seed on the ground. You can see as long as the seed comes in contact with the ground, gets a little moisture, it'll germinate. But really, what kind of plant will it grow up to be? Will it be healthy? Will it be productive? Anybody's guess. A lot of different factors are involved. I guess technically there's all different kinds of variations to a no-till garden. What I'm more concerned is, why would you no-till? What's the purpose behind it? What's the end result of no-till? And really, what's the end result of all gardening? What we're trying to do is just provide a medium or the soil that the plants can germinate in, that they could grow in, that they could get their nutrition from. And we want to establish what will be best for them. No-till doesn't mean no fertilizer. And a lot of people are trying to get away from synthetic fertilizers, and I understand that. The hardcore extremists may run you out of town just for even suggesting it. But all I'm trying to do is to provide an efficient, economical environment to grow my plants and try and get something to eat out of it. I've heard it said that you really want to get back to nature. I can see that to some degree, but I look out in these woods and I have yet to find a tomato plant growing out in the woods. I have yet to find a whole lot of what I grow out in the woods. Squirrel. I read that the ideal soil is comprised of 25% air, 25% moisture, 45% minerals, which is just the sand, silt, and the clay, and then 5% of organic matter. I'm just assuming what they say is true. It makes sense because the soil environment needs to have an aerobic or an oxygen-filled makeup to it, because that's where all the good bacteria seems to thrive at, and the bad bacteria seems to run from it. What I'm looking for is to see if the soil is coming together. One of the most important things about the soil is the structure of the soil, and that has to do with that air, water, minerals, and organic matter. When you have the right mixture of all that, then the soil forms these little aggregates. The microbes, the biological makeup of the soil takes the chemical nature of the soil. They kind of glue together all these soil particles. And what that does, that allows for the moisture, the rain, to come down into the soil. And this is so cool, y'all. When the soil is the right mixture and the rain comes down and it penetrates into the soil, it makes a vacuum and sucks the air down into the soil. Tell me that's not cool. It provides a great environment for all the life that's in the soil. And not only that, for the roots to be able to penetrate the soil. It basically softens the soil. Am I against people that till? Oh, no, 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 no. There's purposes and places for everything. This small backyard garden that I've got, I feel like I can pretty much do it on a no-till method. If I decide to till, I'll till. And you wanna know why? Because it's my garden. I do what I want to with it. If the soil is not tilled, then it's not breaking up the life in the soil. It's not breaking up those aggregates. It's not causing them to come apart. When it comes apart, then it dries out quicker, and then it erodes quicker, it washes off quicker, and when the ground washes off quicker, all the nutrients are going to wash off quicker, and it's going to take it away from the life of my plant. Once I started understanding the makeup of the soil and how it all worked together, then that got me to looking more into this no-till method. There's different ways to go about it, different opinions about how it should be done. My suggestion is just do it how you want to. It seems like it's helping the soil. This doesn't happen overnight. It's going to take a while that it can be useful to the plants in a maximum capacity. The only method? No. But is it a good method? Yes. I hope y'all all have a fantastic day. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. God bless, and we'll see y'all next time.